Tired of awkward phone calls, language barriers when traveling, and endless routine work calls? Now you have CHAKEN.AI phone agent. Just speak your native language, and it will make calls for you abroad. Real time. Translation makes hotel communication totally hassle-free. It's not just for overseas trips. It handles meeting notices, interview arrangements, event invitations, after-sales consultation, and complaint feedback. It even helps with relationship communication and tough daily talks. With exclusive voice phone technology, it talks just like you, built on trusted security technology. All your privacy is well protected. You can use it with complete peace of mind. CHAKEN.AI covers life, work, and social scenarios, expanding more functions all the time. Let the agent handle the phone calls. You don't want to make yourself